Hey guys, James here, back with another video, and today I have an unboxing and look at this product. This is the HOOKA by a company called Brainwavz. The full title of the company is actually Brainwavz Audio. It's a headphone hanger essentially. So they reached out to me and they said, hey, we like your videos. Do you want to, do reviews of our products? So they actually do have quite a few different varieties. The reason I chose this one was because of the width, but I'll show you why I chose this one soon. But let's just get into the unboxing and see what we've got. All right, so as you can see, it's got a 24-month warranty. They have a Facebook, Twitter page, and a website. You go check that out. It's got a simple application, just using some 3M VHB tape. Not sure what that is, but essentially it's really strong tape. It's got strong build quality, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get into it. My trusty knife. Where's a good place to open this? Okay, top seal. Makes sense. All right. Okay, let's take this out. Essentially, this is the 3M tape, very, very strong. As you can see, there is a cushion there, which is really, really good. It's not directly applied to the metal, which is awesome. You can see this is purely all metal build. Don't know if you can hear that, but that's all metal, which is fantastic. So it's gonna last a long time. I thought this part was probably maybe initially plastic, but the whole thing is actually metal, which is great. You can see this plate is actually somewhat removable if you wanted to remove that. I'm not sure why you would remove that, but you can. You can see it's got the logo here, Brainwavz. It's got a logo here as well. And this hook is really good because it pretty much ensures that it doesn't slide off. The headphone doesn't slide off the plate. It's got a nice contour, as you can see there. It's not just flat, which is good for the headphones, so it's not gonna it's comfortable for the headphones essentially. And that also means that if you have cushioned headphones, that that cushion isn't going to make a big dent in the middle, which is really, really important. I can't stress that enough because I've had headphone hangers which are just a thin kind of rod like this without the plate, and yeah, it made a defined dent in my cushion. So this is really, really good that they've done that. Rough pricing, it's selling at the moment for $18 US on their website. They do have an Amazon website, and I'll leave links in the description below if you want to go get that. But yeah, let's get straight to this, to applying this to where I want it in my kind of studio setup, and yeah, let's go from there. Hey guys, so this is my room setup. So this is a little bit of sneak peek. If you do want to see a full tour, let me know. But I'm sounding a bit hesitant and a bit embarrassed because I kind of did everything already, but I forgot to hit record. So my headphone hangers are already up with the new one, with the old one replaced, but I totally forgot to hit record, so my apologies. Essentially what I did, I mounted it to this bookshelf. So I peeled off the this 3M tape here from the back, and it's super strong. Like it's really durable. Like applying a lot of force, that's not going anywhere. Now it does mean that if you do want to replace this or move it to another place, it might be a bit difficult for you to do that. However, yeah, it is very strong, which is a good thing, but it's also a bad thing. So what I actually had in the past was I had this little headphone hanger sitting like this, and then this was actually holding my headphones like that. So it wasn't very healthy for the headphone because all the weight was being weighted off this. But now, because this is a lot wider and it's a lot better, it's hanging off this, and it's really nice. Whole lot of weight. It's great. I love it. I think it's fantastic. So I reckon you should all get one, especially if you own these kind of open back massive studio headphones. Then this is something that you want to get. So I'll give you a nice close up. So these are my headphones, the ATH 8700Xs, and on top we get the Brainwavz headphone hanger, the HOOKA. Awesome, so that completes the setup and adds headphones to this awesome studio space. Well, a nicer headphone hanger than before. So that's it for this video. You can end on this picture on Rey from the Last Jedi. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Like it if you liked it. Dislike if you disliked it. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or any comments about this headphone hanger, and I'll be more than happy to try to answer any of those questions. I tend to reply pretty quick to them, so by all means ask away. Let me know what you guys think about this headphone hanger in the comments below. Let me know if you have one, or if you think it's, you know, that other brands are better, or what do you own? Let me know what you guys are doing. I'm pretty curious as to what you guys have, so put those in the comments below. Subscribe to see more videos like this in the future, and I will see you guys in the next one. God bless.